Today, we're tasting BlueJay, our blueberry coffee mead. The coffee comes through really well in this. We're using an espresso blend from Stampak Coffee. They're located in Seattle, Washington. The blueberry adds a nice tartness to the aroma. And so yeah, that play of coffee and fruit is really interesting. Let's try it. That's so good. Lots of blueberry. I don't get quite as much coffee on the palate, but again, it's a whole lot of coffee in the aroma. But tasting it, the coffee's not quite as strong. It's not like drinking a cup of coffee or anything. It's really fruity, and you get the roasty, acidic notes from the coffee beans. Yeah, it's good. Honestly, I think this would pair really well with waffles or pancakes, breakfast in general. You can argue with me about that later, but try it first, and then we'll talk. Cheers.